Welcome back to JRF. Today, we'll show you steps how to make a Yucho bank transfer to JRF's Yucho account. This is one of the most economical ways to send money internationally in terms of cost. Let's start now. Step 1. Register your JRF account. Step 2. Find the nearest Yucho ATM. If you're not sure where it is, the below app can help. Step 3. Transfer money at Yucho ATM. The procedure is similar to sending money to friends in Japan. First, select English Guide. Then select Remittance. Enter. Insert your card or passbook. Enter your password. In this step, enter JRF's account number. Press 001004, then select Enter. Continue to press 0651984, and then enter again. Input the amount and then press Yes. Enter one more time. Double-check your bank account information, amount, then enter. Finally, get your card and bill back. Step 4. Contact JRF via call or send SNS to JRF's social media channels. Please be careful during sending session and double-check transaction detail like JRF's account number and name, the amount sent, etc. And according to the law of Japan, remitters is subject to use their own account for international transactions with remittance company like JRF. Please only use your own account to transfer to JRF's account. Thank you for watching JRF video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Wish you have a nice day. See you.